Do you like French fries? Minnie likes French fries. Of course, Minnie likes everything. Don't you, Minnie? Tell everybody hello. A lot of people like French fries, especially when the French fry is nice and crunchy on the outside, fluffy and flavorful on the inside. The problem with French fries, though, is usually they're deep fried to give us that flavor. Well, what if I told you we can have a French fry that tastes exactly the same, except it's a little bit healthier? We're going to do that in the kitchen with Dan today. How we're going to do that? We're going to make that same French fry, this time using an air fryer. Okay, let's get started. The air fryer we're going to use today is the Power Air Fryer Elite. It's a front load air fryer, so everything is loaded through the front. So as you slide it out, it has the casing and then it has the basket on the inside. You just hit this button right here and it detaches and all the food goes inside that little basket right there. Makes it really easy to clean up, and you could throw both of them in the dishwasher for easy cleanup. Just slide it, just click it back in there and slide it right inside there. Today we're going to make store-bought frozen French fries. The fries that we're going to use today are the crinkles, the golden crinkles from Ore-Ida. I've used these before and they come out tasting pretty good. To get started, we'll open up the Ore-Ida bag. We'll get the contents from inside the bag, so we'll load the basket with all the French fries. At this point they are frozen. Give them a shake, make sure they're all level. That way they cook evenly. We're going to spray a little bit of olive oil. This is something you can skip if you don't like any olive oil or any oils inside of it. Got a little extra oil there, get that cleaned up. And then once you have it slid in there, this air fryer has pre-settings, has several, has for French fries, has meat, shrimp, you could bake chicken, steak, and also fish. So we're going to use the French fry preset, which is 20 minutes at 390, I believe. I've cooked these before, I like them a little bit more crispy, so I'm going to put it at 22 minutes. So we'll hit the start button, and as you can see, the fan gets going, letting us know that the air fryer has started cooking. And you can see the fan there working. About every 5 to 7 minutes, I like to slide them out, give them a look, and shake, so that way make sure they're cooking evenly. We'll add a little bit of salt to get some seasoning in there. They'll get them back in the air fryer and they'll continue cooking. Another 5 to 7 minutes have gone by. Give them another shake. And if you notice with this air fryer, every time, or any air fryer, when you pull out the basket, it'll stop, and then when you place it back in, it'll continue on from where it was stopped. Another 5 to 7 minutes. We'll give it another shake. There's about 4 minutes left, so I like to give it a little bit more seasoning. Add some more salt. We'll give them a couple more minutes and we'll try and check them again. Okay, there's 1 minute left till it stops. I'm going to give it a look and see how they look. They look still like they need a couple more minutes, so I'm going to add an additional minute to it. So it'll give it a complete combination of 2 minutes, and then that should do it. We'll be back in 2 minutes. Okay, the air fryer is stopped. The 2 minutes are up. They look pretty good.
Let me give him a test. We get one out. Oh, you got a friend joining him. Let's put one back. It feels good. Sorry about the blurriness. Let me try to zoom that in. Has a nice little crunch to it. Some steam coming out of there. Look nice and crispy on the outside. Took a bite. It's nice and fluffy and tasty on the inside, just like I like it. They're ready. Well, the final result is some nice and crunchy French fries. And of course, when you have some French fries, I like a little pepper on my French fries. And of course, I like to have it with a little bit of ketchup.
Well, there you go. A French fry that is crunchy on the outside, fluffy, and flavorful on the inside, and it's a little bit healthier for you. So I hope you enjoyed the video today. If you did, please like and subscribe. Thank you for watching, and until next time, adios.